what's up guys? Today we're taking a look at the Lasko Cyclone Power Air Circulator and why this is the best fan money could buy. And then we're going to be comparing it to this bad boy over here. The good old trusty box fan. Before we get this video started, just know we are doing a giveaway, so please stick to the end of the video to get the details on the giveaway. Let's jump into this video. So here's what the fan looks like itself. It looks really nice. Few things I do want to note is it does have some power controls on here. This looks like a new upgraded one, to be honest with you. Okay, so I found it. So the reason why we originally moved this purchase is we're coming from a Honeywell, the little $15 turbo fan, which looks like this, right there. And this is a huge step up. Yeah, you gotta spend the extra ducats, but in theory, this thing will do everything the Honeywell will do, and then some. So in theory, I don't know if you can hear me, but in theory, you arch this upward and it gets a corner. And then so what that does is it circulates the air, the cold air with the warm air. Yeah, this thing feels like an air conditioning in your house. I highly recommend this. I don't know what these functions do. I guess this is, oh, this is low. The one right there. Little bass. Let's full blast this. That's on 4. Plenty of air, man. Damn, this is gonna be amazing. Alright, you guys, that's it for this video. Basically, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will be doing an iPad giveaway. So we love you guys, stay safe, and I don't know, social distancing, I guess. Alright guys, love you guys. See you on the next.